My name is Ihana Chochukwu, and I am a Microsoft certified trainer and a lover of infrastructure as a code, otherwise known as IAC. I will be your host for this series. This course will help you understand and gain real hands-on experience about infrastructure as a code using Azure Bicep. You will learn how to manage and automate deployment of Azure resources using best practices as recommended by Microsoft. This course is generally for cloud professionals who manage and deploy Azure resources depending on their functionality within the organization. Whether you are a beginner looking forward to understand IAC, or you have some IAC experience and you are looking to improve your existing workflows, this course will give you practical skills you can use right away. By the end of this series, you will know how to create, deploy, and manage Azure resources using Biceps. Your infrastructure deployments will be more efficient, reliable, and scalable across all your environments. Here are the key features for the course. So we'll consider the simplified syntax offered by Azure Biceps in relation to ARM templates. So this syntax is much more human readable and easy to use. So we'll keep our focus on industrial best practices as recommended by Microsoft Azure for deployment within Azure. So we also have our codes, which will be fashioned into modules. These modules keeps things simplified and easy to manage and make them easy reusable as well. So lastly, is the CI/CD integration, where we want to have our deployments imitating real life scenarios, integrating these bicep codes with deployment pipelines like Azure DevOps pipeline, GitHub Actions. This is a practical scenario of how this will be implemented in the real life scenario. So yeah, let's put on our learning boots. If you're ready to simplify your Azure deployments and take your skills to the next level, we get started and see you in the next session. Thank you.